Hi there, in this video I will tell you what you should definitely treat a tomato plant if you see this picture on it. As you can see, the lower leaves are normal. Starting from the middle, the leaves are slightly curled, and closer to the top, the leaves are very much twisted. They are small, not developed. It should not be like this. Someone might think it's a pest or a disease, but no, it's a lack of nutrients, namely when the plant lacks boron. And if you don't treat the tomatoes now, the plant will continue to grow slowly upwards. And because its leaves are small and twisted, photosynthesis does not take place normally. There is no nutrition for our plant, and this can lead to the fact that the flowers that have formed will not form tomatoes. They will simply crumble. And this fertilization can also be done on normal healthy tomatoes because it improves flower formation and fruit setting, because boric acid is a kind of fruiting stimulant. I will use boric acid that I bought at a garden store. The weight of the sachet is 20 grams. It looks like ordinary white crystals, very similar to citric acid. And for spraying tomatoes, I need only 5 grams of boric acid, which is equal to a full teaspoon without a slide. But it's better to dissolve boric acid in warm or hot water because it will take a very long time to dissolve in cold water and may not dissolve in the end. I take a half-liter jar, pour in half a jar of hot water, add boric acid, stir it up, and as you can see, it dissolves very quickly. I let it brew for another minute and add another jar of cold water to make half a liter. If you need to spray a lot of plants, then we pour this whole half-liter jar into 10 liters of water. Mix it well and spray the tomatoes. And if you use a 2-liter sprayer, divide the half-liter jar into 5 equal parts and pour 1 part into the sprayer, bring it up to 2 liters and go spray the tomatoes. You need to spray the entire plant, leaves, stems, trunk and flowers. Spraying must be done either early in the morning or in the evening when there is no direct sunlight, so that burns do not form on the leaves. And I forgot to add that such spraying not only flattens the tops on tomatoes, but also stimulates growth and the formation of large tomato fruits. And boric acid is also a good fungicide that will preventively protect plants from pathogens both in the greenhouse and in the open field. And for those who have watched this video to the end, I want to say that you can treat not only tomatoes with boric acid, but also peppers, cucumbers, onions, cabbage, beets, and other plants in your garden. This will stimulate their growth, improve flowering, and set a large harvest. If the information from this video was useful to you, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day and see you in the new videos.